Are you a brand new YouTuber wondering how to grow your channel? Build your channel as fast as possible. Go nowhere, stay tuned there, because this video is going to tell you all the strategies and tips which has helped me. I am a witness, which has helped me. I'm talking with experience, I'm not just teaching. I will teach you the strategies and the tips that has helped me so far. This is 4 days aged channel, guys. Look at what I'm having right now in my 4 days aged channel. So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you the strategies, the tips, what I have been using in order to do what be here today. This is just 4 days channel, and this is what I'm having right here. I'm not playing. Your girl is not playing. We're not playing this channel, man. So stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you will grab every vital information I'll be dropping here. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my video, my name is Vera Ugo, so you are most welcome. So in this channel, what we do here is that I share tips and strategies that has helped me so far in this channel. Whatever thing I have implemented in my channel that has helped me, I bring it out here for my fellow YouTubers, especially the upcoming ones like me, to benefit from. So without much being said, guys, please help me and subscribe so that we'll be connecting very well in order to do what? To help ourselves to grow. And please help me turn on notifications so that each time I drop another mind-blowing video that will help us in our growth, you will also get notified. And at the same time, help me and like, okay? So you get to wider audience. God bless you. So now let's move to the business of the day. Like I told you before, this channel is just barely 4 days aged. It's just 4 days old. So as it stands now, in 4 days I'm having almost 50 subscribers. It is not wonderful, So the thing is that I will be telling you the 3 things that has been helping me in this channel, okay? Especially the last one. The last one is going to do what? Push you more. So guys, just stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. So the first thing first that has been helping me so far is what we call channel optimization, video optimization. How do you optimize your channel? How do you optimize your video? Do you just created that to your YouTube channel, you just leave it like that and you start uploading videos? No, you need to optimize your channel in a standard such as the algorithm will be able to help you to know where your channel is falling into, know the type of niche you are falling into and other stuff. So this is what I am saying. You need to optimize your channel. So you optimizing your channel, take a good look at this place here. This is just a screen record I just did. These things that you see that is ticked now, make sure that all of them is ticked in your own channel. So this is it for now. I don't want to go much in that. Okay, inside the number 1 is video optimization. This video optimization simply means how do you optimize your video before uploading it. Do you just get your video, then you just upload it with the normal simple hack? No. If you are doing that, you are doing it the wrong way all this way. So my dear, this is how to do it. If you get your video, don't use the normal YouTube app. Don't use the normal YouTube app to upload your video. Just go to the site, which is the Chrome, okay, Chrome dashboard, our YouTube Chrome dashboard, which is the desktop dashboard, I think is what they call it. Go there and upload your video, because that place you will see a lot of options for optimization, okay? So you need to follow those options. Look at this one here now. This is another thing I'm telling you. So you need to follow those options, something like you publishing to your subscribers. So if you know that your subscribers are actually those who are always engaging with you, like your best friends in this YouTube, if you are not met best friends, that means you are actually slowing down in your channel. You need to make friends with new YouTubers. How do you make friends with them? You need to start engaging with them. When you subscribe, you engage with them, always engaging with them each time they drop video, and they will be doing the same to your own. So with that, you'll be growing. So this is why you need to turn on this publish to subscribers. So once you upload a video, they will be the first one to support you before algorithm will start sending it out there. You need to make sure that this particular button is turned on. Then another thing you need to do before you upload your video is you need to optimize your description very well. Optimize your description so that algorithm will be able to know where your video has fallen into, so that you know the type of audience is going to push it to. There is a way I used to optimize my own. So how I used to do my own is that I would just go to ChatGPT. I will ask him to help me and write a well detailed, optimized description titled my topic, my video topic in there. I will be showing you on my next video how I'm able to do all these things practically, but I'm just telling you the things that I'm doing here now. So in my next video, so this video will not be too lengthy, so I will just tell ChatGPT to help me and give me a well optimized description titled my topic. I need to write it. I will just copy it, paste it, edit one or two things. You get that one is another thing that will help you. You get another thing, since I'm just a new YouTuber who is coming up there, so I don't have much people liking my videos and other stuffs. I used to turn off show people that likes your video. I used to turn it off. Look at what I'm saying here. I need to turn it off completely. I don't like people seeing it. You get. Then another thing is that I used to add end screens. I used to add card when YouTube have seen that all these things you have set them in a way it's supposed to be, the next thing they will know that this video is actually well optimized, so they will know how to push your video, and from there YouTube will start ranking it high. So that is it for that one. Then the number two I normally do is what, before you upload your video, before you create your content, make sure that the content you are about to create is the content that people out there are looking for. Don't just come and create a content for creating a content sake or being consistent sake. No, you need to create a content that you know that people are actually looking for it there. Like this one that I'm creating right now, I did not just come and start creating. I made use of my studio app. I made use of my YouTube studio before I started creating this content. So how do you do it? You just go to your YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, you now go to analytics. When you get to analytics, you go to trend. When you go to trend, you will see the topics people are actually searching for. You will see it. From there, you click on inspire, something like that. You will be inspired more on the topic that think that will rank high if you create it. You give it a try. It's not actually a must that once you do it, you will start getting more views, but you have to give it a try. You never can tell. So that is what I normally do. That is another two things that have been implementing in my channel that has been making me to go far. Then the number three thing which I so much love is what, you engaging with your fellow creators, especially the new YouTubers. Are you actually engaging with them? How do you engage with them? Are you doing it in such a way that it will not cause you any harm, or you are just doing it anyhow? So guys, I don't know about you, but for me this has been helping so far, because it is very very sad that you post a video out there and when you drop a video and no single soul or to not be more than 2 or 3 people that will be watching your video. So it feels so sad. So my dear, I would advise you to start engaging with your fellow creators. So if you watch this stage, that means you know what I'm talking about. Try connecting with me and I will do so. But please don't expect me to connect immediately, because do it in a wise and smart way so that it will not look anyhow. What I normally do is that if you connect within a space of 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours, I will reconnect, you get. And what I do is I don't just come there and just do the subscribe and then go. I need to watch your videos. I will give you a relevant comment relating to the video that I just watched. I will like and subscribe, and I'll turn on notification for you, so that next time when you upload another video, I'll be able to watch as well. So we remain as family and keep connecting like one another, you get. So this is just the best way that has been helping me so far, and I thank God that God has been giving me the type of people that actually know what they want. Not all these random YouTubers will just come and just be doing it anyhow. At the end of the day, you find out that some of your subscribers are reducing because it is detected as someone is trying to do something that is not actually the normal way here, you get. So that just it, my people. So this has been helping me so far. Just look at 4 days age channel is doing so well like this. So my dear, the street here is not easy, so hustle, try as much as possible in a genuine way and help yourself before algorithm picks up. And another thing is that try to be consistency, especially when you have gotten a very reliable YouTubers like you that are always supporting you, engaging with you. always try to be consistent. Like someone like me now, I'm always consistent. There's no day I don't post a video. So try as much as possible, even if it's not daily, weekly, or at least monthly. Than some people that will stay up to 1 year yet you will not see anything. So guys, that's it. So guys, if you are not subscribed, please help me and subscribe and turn on notification, and please help me and like these videos. Genuinely on your own, start connecting with Vera Ugo, and I will do the same. But remember, I will be back, but not immediately, okay, for the health of our channels. So see you guys in my next video. Bye, one family.